Cynthia Mmesoma. Talk to them. These are my media people. This is your father.
This is my father.
Our friends, from your name.
Okay. My name is Okorocha Cynthia Mmesoma. I'm one of the beneficiaries of Umeh, and I studied physiotherapy at University of Nigeria in Supp. I graduated in 2023. I did my internship last year, and I'm serving in Federal Medical Center now. So I came to thank him for the effort, the support. It was really a lot, and I'm really grateful. My parents are grateful. We came to thank you for everything he has done for us.
Yeah. You have seen them. That's the father, that's the mother. Where are you from?
I'm from Okorocha.
Okorocha, and I go out to local government. In 2016, I went to Laurrita Special Science School, and I asked them to give me 6 best graduating students for me to give them scholarship to go to the university and study. At that time, Hillary Majago was the school manager, and they selected 5 of them from different places. One is from Nsukka, one issue, and they brought these 5 students. I took them in my scholarship scheme and sponsored them to the university. They all have graduated. One read electrical engineering, and she read physiotherapy at UNM. So I wasn't expecting them this morning, but the now came. The father, the mother, and Mmesoma herself. They came with a very big goat. Very big goat. We are going to kill it this sister. And a carton of drink to come and say thank you. For me, I don't expect gifts or appreciation for what I do for young people. But it is good that she came without appointment with the parents to say that they are grateful. My joy is that she has succeeded. She has gotten that degree and she's done very well. Going to University of Nigeria is not a small achievement. And being a graduate there and doing well now, and you remember to come. You were 5, just like in the Bible. Jesus healed 10 lepers. Only 1 leper who was healed came back to say thank you. So your colleagues, the other 4, I've not seen them. But I'm happy for all of them because I followed their progress in the media when they graduated. They celebrated it. So for you that came here from Okorocha, you are a special graduate for me. This place is your home. You can always come back here. Anytime you need my support in any way in your career, call me. I'll be very glad to lend helping hand. So I want to say congratulations. I'm proud of you, just like your parents are proud of you. You're going to succeed in life.
Amen.
You're going to have a good husband.
Amen.
Somebody who will support you.
Amen.
And you have a very good career.
Amen.
Build a good family, and then be happy in your life. That's my prayer for you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, thank you. Congratulations.
Ohamadike.
I know you are happy.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Yes.
I'm very happy.
Sir, you want to, you have to say something.
Of course. I did my doctor, and I'm very happy for her success in school. As a graduate, medical student, she's now working, and she did her course with the help of Ohamadike. Gave her a scholarship when she was at Laurrita Special Science School. And now, today, we decided to come and say thank you to Ohamadike for the efforts made, the help he gave to my daughter to succeed and become a graduate today, a working class medical doctor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
That's the mother. Happy mother.